Hello guys, this is your boy Red.
And this is your boy Blue.
This is day 5 of trying to learn how to trade. The daily low just got taken out, so we could not respect that liquidity target for our TP. So I just put it on 1 is to 1 RR. But it still, due to the gap down opening, it still took out the TP. As you can see, the liquidity swings that I marked, this this swing, it got taken out. This was the swing. You see this blue line? This was the swing that I was waiting for the entry to take place on. Well, it did got taken out by the swing and then it went down to till RTP. So yes, the first swing that I marked, the bigger swing liquidity. Let me go to the 1 hour to show you. This blue line that I marked, the swing, the blue line swing that I marked, liquidity got taken out and our TP and went till our entry and then got downwards till our TP. The small swing liquidity that I marked, which I have marked in purple color. Let me change colors. Go to green. So this green zone that I just marked, this green line that was marked before. This got taken out by this liquidity right here, which went till daily low and took out the daily low. Read this trend now. Okay, okay. Well, we are now fine. So let's go to the daily time frame. Well, right now we still don't know if gold is going to go upwards. Right now, my bias is bullish because gold is in its support zone. That is the most easiest way that I can think of. But
Yes.
the thing is, go my I still cannot completely decide what my bias is right now because whatever news US is releasing like CPI data etc is forcing gold to go upwards. But there is our major US and Iran tensions, the Middle East tensions right now, which is forcing gold to continue its downwards momentum no matter what the news US releases. We have seen it in the previous days, like the CPI data was released, gold went up a little, but then continued its downwards momentum. Gold is kind of, in an extremely dangerous position right now. It has just fallen from 5600 level to 4000 level. That is approx, I guess, $1,600 that gold has just fallen down. If you see from the people's standpoint, it is not an extremely attractive asset to buy. Something that has just fallen down that much, and we still don't know how much it could fall down. Who would buy it? Right now, I think so. People are still maybe buying so much gold because it is of low price. But the thing is, it is still falling because of the US and Iran war. Okay, let's just do quickly right now. Well, let's mark the previous day high and previous day low. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Right now, the 4 hour does not have any kind of major swing that I want to mark. Still, there is a swing right here. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. In my opinion, we need to take out the high right now here. So for it to go down, this is the only major liquidity that we have because the gap down liquidity has been taken out. Well, in my opinion, we can expect a short from here till here. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking of. In my opinion, I guess gold is whenever gold comes down to the support zone, it consolidates a little and then shoots upwards while manipulating, or either it shows clean breakouts. It gives sharp swings right now, and this is why, or either it consolidates. This is why, in my opinion, I cannot place guarantee on 4024 short. But if you still want to, take this short, target this low, or target this, or target this, my only advice would be to not risk as much as you would on your actual or trade. What do you think, Blue? Because this is
Yes,
just reaching out of support zone, you still do not know when it would show so much high momentum that it takes out your SL.
yes, I agree with you. We should be cautious. Yes,
Well, because of the lower upper wick, I feel there is a high selling momentum here, which can also be proven by gap down liquidity. Gap down liquidity only happens when there is a high amount of sellers during the weekend. So this long upper wick has shown me there is extremely high selling momentum here. What I can do is I would just, place my TP there, and my SL would be, I guess, above. Hmm, my SL would be, uh, um, my SL would be right here. Below this imbalance high wicks candle right here.
okay.
So yes, I guess this is it for gold right now. Yo, do you think we are missing something?
No, I don't think we're missing something.